I noticed a dampness on the floor, and then when I opened the bottom cupboard there was quite dampness on the back wall. So I know A.Brassett has done work for me before. They put the washing machine, I think, in before, and the freezer and so on. So I noticed they got an office opposite me, so I rang up. Must have been about 11:30, I suppose, and within 20 minutes they came over. Very pleasant. Pulled out the washing machine. Fortunately the washing machine was fine after all his inspections. Then underneath, unfortunately, there was a slight leak on one of the valves, which has been mended, and I suppose within 3/4 of an hour or so everything is fine and satisfactory. Anyway, I'm very, very pleased. Thank you.